So learning how to create a progress bar, I'm going to show you a very simple method. So just go to rectangle tool, like so. And now here in fill, I'm just going to change the color. Now here in effects controls, I'm going to select this mask and I'm going to move this here. Now at this point, we do not have, don't show the mask. We can also expand. And we're going to add a keyframe for mask path. Now, at the end of the video, we're just going to drag this mask, selecting it, click on mask. We're going to click on it, drag, but make sure you hold shift so it doesn't move. Now, let's play. As you can see, it works, but I don't like this is too sharp. So right over here, we're just gonna add some mask feather. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. I'll really appreciate it.